Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're basically discussing fake lawyers. That's the issue in this video. Why are we bringing this up? Well, we're bringing it up because I recently got a case. We had a case that was basically somebody had thought they were going to a real immigration attorney, someone who was licensed in the United States in order to provide immigration-related legal services, and it turns out that that person that they were using was not at all what they were claiming to be, and in fact they were a total fraud, and they were simply lying and saying that they were an attorney when in fact that they were not. And unfortunately, it's not as common as it once was out here in Thailand for a variety of reasons, but there are still fake lawyers here in Thailand, and they continue to be an issue. And this video specifically is discussing that, and even this can be taken in more general context. We see these kind of people in Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam. They're around. You know, the fake immigration lawyer business seems to be something that just attracts a certain kind of person, and there seems to be not a particular deficiency of those kind of people. They're just sort of out there. And the reason I was making this video is one of the big telltale signs, if you're dealing with what you believe to be as a real lawyer, one of the telltale signs is your attorney will be CC'd into correspondence, should you so desire, will be CC'd into correspondence from the U.S. government directly. And a real telltale sign is when that's not happening with whatever service provider you're using. And we see this a lot when we pick up cases usually that have been utterly bungled or have been put into a position wherein the applicant has been severely disadvantaged. I've seen this in the context of lying in visa applications or applications for immigration benefits because the person that they thought had their interests, person that they thought was an attorney, was a fraud and was telling them to basically lie to the immigration apparatus, be it the embassy here or the immigration apparatus under the Department of Homeland Security. And this has led to real problems. And in this case, it was no different. It looks like a situation that can be rectified. But the thing to take away from this video is fake lawyers are around, at least especially here in Thailand, although again, not to the level they once were. It's a good idea to just ascertain the credentials of the individual that you're looking to use. Ascertain where they were licensed to practice law and how much experience they have dealing with the immigration apparatus. A reputable attorney that is duly qualified will have no problem providing this information, whereas a fake lawyer will tell you something like, oh, well, you don't need to have a license in order to do this. I've heard that a lot, or I should say I've seen it in prior correspondence with folks that later became our clients. You don't need a license to do this kind of work. Oh, we don't have to have that type of qualification to do that kind of work. That's utter nonsense. The fact is the law is relatively clear. 8 CFR 292.1 lays out the rules regarding this, and it's very clear on the fact that only an American attorney is able to charge fees for providing immigration services to clients. That's basically where it's at, and unfortunately we do have a lot of bad actors out there, but one thing that you can do to forestall this issue is check credentials before signing up with anyone and ascertain whether or not they are a genuine attorney before making monetary transactions, before getting too embroiled in something that can cause problems down the road. And especially always remember, it is never a good idea to lie to immigration officials in any way. We hope you find our videos insightful. If so, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can receive up-to-date notifications of legal news in Thailand and the United States.